Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm just going to get to it. This sketch was a little bit more difficult, and for some reason I find close-ups quite difficult to capture, especially if they're at different angles, and this was one of them. I don't know why, as I said. So this one took me 3 minutes, this took me 2 minutes, and this took me 2 minutes 10 seconds. Half of the face was missing as well, so from about there it was actually missing, so I had to use a lot of creative license and basically improvise. So all three were quick sketches, specifically 2 and 3. It was a quick sketch style, and as much as it's not my greatest work for this afternoon, I'm not entirely happy with it, but I'm not unhappy with it, if that makes sense. I know I can do better, and I know I will do better eventually, but I don't know whether... I'm not going to make excuses. I was going to say maybe I was tired, but don't want to go down that route of not being able to identify what went wrong and just blame my tiredness. So put it down to learning, and I just need to practice that particular style and that particular angle. Okay, thanks guys. Bye!